Businesses and employers play a vital role in helping Wales to thrive. They are adapting to the way work is changing with increased digitalisation and automation, and by protecting our environment with sustainable and greener ways of working. And they also play a significant role in improving the health and well-being of the population of Wales. But it's not just any type of work that is important to the health, well-being and engagement of staff. It's about fair work. Fair work is when we have job security, so we can pay the rent or mortgage, which reduces worry and chronic stress. Are paid a fair wage so we can afford the things we all need like heating and healthy food. Have a voice in our organisation and our legal rights are upheld so we feel valued and protected, helping our mental health. It's also about having the opportunity to learn and progress so we can be more fulfilled, which has a positive effect on our psychological well-being. Every employer in Wales, from small businesses to large national employers, can play their part in increasing participation in fair work. By taking small steps, you can support your staff to be more engaged, happier and healthier, which is good for communities and for business. Together we can create a more equal Wales. Healthy Working Wales can provide you with access to free specialist knowledge and support to help you to build and promote a culture of fair work in your organisation. Together we can ensure the people of Wales can access fair work to support their health and well-being and build a well-being economy. To find out more, contact workplacehealth@wales.nhs.uk or visit healthyworkingwales.com.